What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. It is 7 days to Christmas. I hope you guys are getting ready for Christmas. I hope you're planning, getting ready to spending it with family. I hope you guys are in the mood and I hope you guys are happy and healthy. So today's video is gonna be 7 facts about Christmas, 7 things that even I didn't know, and I like to read on a lot of little things and I didn't know about these, because when it comes to Christmas or any other traditional holiday, we just fall in and it's like we're in Rome and we're roaming like the Romans, but we really don't know about the past, about all these holidays. We don't know what the tradition means. We never stopped to find out, and maybe you did, but honestly there's a lot of traditions that I don't stop to find out. So I was very happy that I could bring you these 7 facts about Christmas. Before we jump into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and become a member. Don't forget to turn your notification bells on and leave a comment and let me know that you knew these facts, because I did not. And without further ado, let's jump straight into that video. Now what I've done is just googled weird facts about Christmas. So I'll have my phone and I'll be looking into my phone. So most of these things that I'm gonna read are new to me, as they will be to you. Now the first fact about Christmas that I didn't know and maybe you didn't know is that December 25th was a pagan celebration, which just means people were worshiping other god, none of the gods that we know about, like God that was out of this world. That's what pagan means. And they were doing this because nobody really knows when Jesus of Nazareth was born, so they didn't celebrate Christmas as Jesus' birthday for 100 years. The second fact that I didn't know and maybe you didn't know was that the nativity story resulted in war, and by war that means there was a controversy over whether or not Jesus was divine at birth. The third fact that I did not know, and I spoke about that in my recent video, was about the mistletoe, and here it said mistletoe kissing originated with fertility. I did not know that. So when you guys are out here mistletoe kissing under the mistletoe, back then the mistletoe kissing was basically you telling somebody that you're ready to have sex, you're ready to be sexually active. Back then if you were standing underneath a mistletoe, you're just saying that you were sexually available. Did you know that? So all of you all kissing under the mistletoe, do you know what the mistletoe is about? Hey, I'm sexually available. Are you? The fourth fact that I didn't know and maybe you didn't know is that Santa Claus originated in the newspaper. So Santa Claus didn't come from the North Pole, don't live in the North Pole, and it's just nothing about no North Pole for Santa Claus. It was originated in the newspaper. So basically somebody just posted an ad in the newspaper, had a drawing of Santa Claus, and that's where it came from. That's where he lives, that's where he got his name. So sorry to break all the bubbles, but yeah, so this person that drew Santa Claus was basically advertising gifts and toys for children. So that's where Santa Claus was originated. The fifth fact that I really didn't know, and this is important to me, Christmas was never always a family holiday. Christmas, as a matter of fact, was like an adult trick and treat. So like our kids would have Halloween for their trick and treat, Christmas was a trick and treat for adults. So the treat would be liquor, booze basically. So you would drink and you would get drunk, and so the trick treat was destruction of property and bodily harm. So there was a chance that you would get beat up or they could like destroy your whole property. So that's what Christmas used to be celebrated as. The sixth fact that I really didn't know was that we wish you a Merry Christmas was actually a threat. Did you know that we wish you a Merry Christmas was a threat? Like, it's on the radio now, it's everywhere, but it used to be a threat. It was never meant as it say, it was actually a threat. So this was a threat from the lower class family singing to the upper class family, demanding food and booze. They wanted to celebrate like everybody was celebrating. They wanted their treat. Basically the Christmas song We Wish You a Merry Christmas was actually a threat from lower class people singing to their masters that we wish you a Merry Christmas. They wanted booze. They were demanding what their masters were having. Did you know that? I did not know that. The seventh and final fact, because it's 7 days to Christmas, is that Christmas as a day off is a recent innovation. Back in the days, Christmas was not a holiday. Every business place would be open, school would be open, children would still have to attend school. So Christmas was never a holiday. So I hope you enjoyed these 7 facts about Christmas, because it's 7 days to Christmas. I didn't know most of these things until I just looked up, and I'm glad I did, and I looked it up just for content. So I hope I passed on some good information to you guys. You can go read more for better understanding for all that I've said, or just to know about it yourself. I know that these days we're not too interested in and reading about things such as like Christmas. We just take it as it comes because other people are doing it, so we're doing it too. But it's nice to know your history, it's nice to know the past, because usually if you don't know the past, you don't know the future. So season greetings to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next upload. Again.